So today I am back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of Mysql series, I have discussed about what is left join in Mysql. You can check the video from the above I button. Today, I am going to discuss about what is right join in Mysql with examples. So, without any further delay, let's get started. What is right join? Right join returns all the records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. If we take table A and table B, applying right join on both these tables will return records from table B and matched records from table A. Syntax will be select all the column names that we required from table 1, right join table 2 on table 1.column X equals to table 2.column Y, which is the common columns between these two tables. Now let us apply this with an example. Today I am using same database and same two tables as I used in the case of left join. Query will be to fetch the details of each department and the name of employee working in these departments. So the query will be select department number, department name, department city from employee E, right join department D on E dot department name equals to D dot department name, which is the common columns between these two tables. Mention the specific alias name of the tables beside the column names. Select and run the query to see the result. To see the difference between right join and inner join, change it to inner join and run the query to see the result. That's all for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.